Pulselli Organic Tipo 00 flour is exactly what I love to reach for when I want that authentic Italian style texture at home, especially for Neapolitan pizza. It's milled extra fine so the dough feels silky when you're mixing it, and it bakes up with that light, airy interior and a perfectly chewy bite. If you've ever struggled with crust that turns out dense or heavy, this is one of those simple upgrades that can make your homemade pizza feel like it came from a real little spot in Naples. I also love that it's USDA organic, made from 100% Italian grain, and it's all natural. No additives, no bleaching agents, and no bromates. Just clean, quality flour that you can feel good about using for your everyday baking. And even though it's a 00, it's super versatile. I use it for pizza nights, but it's also beautiful for fresh pasta, focaccia, and soft artisan style breads because it's good that it's really delicate and tender texture. This comes in an 11-pound bag, which I personally love because if you're making dough regularly, you'll fly through flour, and it's nice not having to restock every 5 minutes. So if you're trying to level up your homemade pizza, this is one I absolutely think is worth it. As an Amazon influencer, I share products I genuinely use and recommend. I may earn a small commission. It never costs you more. Thank you so much for supporting my work.